Leviton's robust die-cast patch panel is an ideal high-density solution supporting 48 jacks in a 1 RU space. With the Leviton logo right side up on the patch panel, start with the top row first. The top row jacks snap in upside down. The tab will be on the bottom. Angle the jack in position and snap the jack in. To seat the jack securely in place, insert the screwdriver from the bottom or the back of the panel. To insert the bottom row, the jacks are placed right side up. The tab will be on the top. Next, you will repeat a similar process as the top by angling the jack and pressing firmly to securely snap the jack into place. A screwdriver will not be needed for this row.